ba't tulad natin tumatanda't namamatay? Happy birthday, Ate Tina. Thank you dahil nabuo ang Team UDD tapos nagkaroon ako ng bagong ate. Thank you for being caring, for appreciating everything that we've been doing since the first day we met you. Yun, sana po ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo. And sana magkaroon ka na ng love life. Love you, Ate Tina.
Hi, Ate Tina. Happy birthday. I will forever thank and love you for bringing Team UDD into my life.
Hi, Ate Tina. Una happy birthday. Thank you sa mga nagawa mo sa amin, sa Team UDD. Tsaka congratulations sa successful management ng Twitter account ng Team UDD. Tsaka sa Facebook. Galing. Pwede ka pang mag-marketing kaysa mag-nurse. Pero, mas bagay ka mag-nurse. Ayan. So, thank you kasi sa group, ikaw yung isa sa mga mature naming ate na naiintindihan kami, though may flaws kami na basta, naman na yan. Tapos, thank you sa mga memories na binigay mo sa amin. And hopefully, I can go to more gigs na kasama yung Team UDD. Sa buhay abroad mo, kung kailanman, good luck. I wish you all the best. Tsaka, sana magka-love life ka na. Charot. Hindi. Ngayon, tsaka basta wish ko lang talaga makita ko na kayo ulit na without inhibitions na pupunta ako ng gigs at night. So, yun. Thank you very much and happy birthday, Ate Teens. I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Tina. I wish you all the best in life. Good health and more blessings to you, sa family mo, and sa career mo. Sana tuloy-tuloy and more gigs to come. And yun, thank you for being good ate and yung leader ng Team UDD. And I hope to see you soon. Very, very, very soon. Yan. I love you, ate. Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Tina! I just wanna greet you happy birthday today. It's a special day mo. And I hope you enjoy this day with your friends and family. And of course, your loved ones. Wala man kami dyan physically to celebrate with you. But I hope na-feel me how special you are to us. So I just wanna thank you kasi you're one of the person na dahilan kung bakit nabutong friendship natin at nagkaroon tayo ng connection. So, I just find it magical na yung pagiging friends natin nasa iba-iba tayong place ng mundo or na Pilipinas pala, yung magkaibigan tayo, nagkaroon tayo ng connection, parang doesn't need grow na sa near to each other or ganyan. So, I always find it parang miracle na naging magkaibigan tayo. Kasi diba, we're living in different place, different world, I guess. But because of the music, because of the Ramadan, naging one tayo lahat. Nag-bond tayo, naging isa, nagkaroon ng team. And of course, I just wanna thank you kasi pinakalalang mo sa akin si Luis. Ganon. So, I just wanna wish you and na sana all your dreams will come true, more success in life, and sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. And sobrang thankful ako kasi nagkaroon tayo ng time to bond. Nagkaroon tayo ng one-on-one time ng concert kahit sobrang bitin. Pero I hope sana lumabas naman tayo as a team, not only in the gigs, but you know, yung labas natin na to just have fun, to enjoy each other's company, to laugh, ganon. So, I just wanna tell you na how I appreciate yung friends mo sa akin. I always feel na parang sister kita to another mother. So, I just wanna say happy birthday, and I wish you more in life. And I missed you and I love you. And see you soon. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.